Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and today, for the first time in quite a while, I want to look at Amazon, and here's why. Because this stock has actually been a real sluggish underperformer for quite a while here. I mean, you look and see what Amazon's done since September, and compare that to the S&P. Compare that to the Qs particularly. I mean, after the sell-off, the NASDAQ has actually been working pretty well. Amazon has just kind of been drifting around, putting everybody's feet to sleep. Well, today, this thing broke out on some pretty strong volume, like the highest volume that we've seen in quite a while, other than one sell-off here, where the stock did sell off, heavy volume. But where is it today? For the first time, it is actually above this day's trading. The stock traded there, so everybody that bought was a loser. They've been a loser. They've been a loser. Boom. Now suddenly they're all winners, and we all like winners more. They're better looking, they're skinnier, they're in better shape, and they're in better moods. And so now what do we have? We've got the stock up here, and this is the way I could envision this stock going. Don't know for sure, but I can see this stock running like this, just kind of slowly drifting up. We might see a big squirt where the stock just runs up. I don't know how that's going to happen. Maybe it would, but what I don't see, could always happen, not being predicting here, but what I don't see is this kind of thing. I don't know why Amazon would, after the way it's acting here, and then it's forming this little consolidation here. I don't know what it would take for Amazon to sell off a lot. I just don't see it. And so this is the type of pattern that I'm looking for. And, if you're an option trader, you can make a lot of money on a $100 move. But as a stock trader, this isn't the kind of thing that you're going to just shoot the lights out in. But it is a stock, I think, that at this point, because of the way it closed today, I think this could be a reliable trade, and I would at least focus on 3,200. I wouldn't put a stop there, but I would say this. If the stock pulls back to 3,200, that's really too deep. The stock shouldn't fall. It shouldn't pull back to 3,200. It should really stay above there. So little pullback's okay. A big pullback is not. So anyway, that's it. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my website, give it a try. The first 30 days are on me, so you don't have anything to lose. And we've got a lot of great traders in the forum, and a lot of them trade differently than I do. And so it's not like, oh, well, I don't like the way Dan trades. His time frame is different than mine and this and that, so therefore this doesn't work. No, we've got day traders, swing traders, long-term investors, dividend players, just a lot of different folks trading, and I want you to be one of them, okay? All right, so get that done, okay? That could be the best trades you've made in 2020, and it will pay dividends in 2021. I promise you that.